So you get yourself one of those 3-point hitch backhoes, and it has to tie into the tractor. What do you do? Well, if you have one of these John Deere 870s, it doesn't have power back, so you have to actually manually find it. Find the plugs, do what I did with a quick connect, and get it tied into the machine. There's a plug right there on the side. And then underneath this valve, let's see, right there. So you drive the line underneath the tractor. The other one comes out the side. You connect the loop, and you got power, and eventually you'll have a backhoe. Okay, good luck.